Have you ever wondered why two people with the same background, the same education, live completely different lives? One builds wealth, the other struggles for years. It's not luck, it's not talent, it's mindset. The gap between rich and poor isn't money, it's how they think. Welcome to You Are Undefeated, a place to share knowledge and thinking to help you improve and develop yourself. If you have any questions or want me to write about any topic, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. In this video, we'll break down 7 mindset changes that make rich people different from everyone else. If you want to win in life, start here. 1. Rich think long-term, poor think instant gratification. Wealth isn't just about money, it's about mindset. Those who achieve lasting success often focus on long-term goals, patiently building their future step by step. They invest time, energy, and resources today for rewards that may not appear until years later. In contrast, a mindset driven by instant gratification seeks quick wins and immediate pleasure, often at the expense of lasting growth. True wealth comes from discipline, vision, and the willingness to delay gratification for something greater. 2. Poor trade time for money. Rich trade money for time. This distinction lies at the heart of wealth building. Those with a poor mindset often exchange their hours for a paycheck, believing that hard work alone leads to prosperity. In contrast, the wealthy understand the value of leveraging resources. They invest money to buy back their time, whether through automation, delegation, or passive income streams. By doing so, they free themselves to focus on bigger opportunities, creative pursuits, and strategic decisions that generate even greater returns. 3. Scarcity versus abundance. Another fundamental difference lies in the concept of scarcity versus abundance. Those with a scarcity mindset often believe that resources are limited, leading to fear, competition, and reluctance to take risks. In contrast, the wealthy tend to embrace an abundance mentality, seeing opportunities everywhere, and believing that success is not a zero-sum game. This outlook encourages collaboration, innovation, and generosity, fostering an environment where growth and prosperity are not only possible, but expected. 4. Learning versus entertainment. Another fundamental difference lies in how the wealthy approach learning versus entertainment. While those with a poorer mindset may prioritize leisure activities, consuming endless hours of entertainment, the wealthy deliberately invest their time in learning and self-improvement. They read books, attend seminars, and seek mentorship, understanding that knowledge compounds just like money. This commitment to continuous growth not only expands their skills, but also opens doors to new opportunities, setting them apart on the path to lasting success. 5. Responsibility versus blame. Another fundamental distinction lies in how wealthy and poor mindsets approach responsibility. Those with a wealthy mindset take ownership of their actions and outcomes, seeing challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Rather than assigning blame to external circumstances or other people, they focus on what they can control and how they can improve. In contrast, a poor mindset often shifts blame outward, which limits growth and keeps individuals stuck in cycles of frustration and missed potential. 6. Comfort versus challenge. Another crucial distinction lies in how individuals approach comfort and challenge. Those with a wealthy mindset understand that true growth happens outside of their comfort zones. They actively seek challenges, viewing obstacles as opportunities to learn and improve. In contrast, a poor mindset often prioritizes comfort and avoids risk, leading to stagnation and missed opportunities. Embracing discomfort, the wealthy are willing to face uncertainty, knowing that overcoming challenges is essential for lasting success and personal development. 7. Spending versus investing. A crucial difference between wealthy and poor mindsets lies in how money is managed, specifically the distinction between spending and investing. Those with a wealthy mindset view money as a tool for growth, choosing to invest in assets that appreciate or generate income over time. In contrast, A poor mindset often prioritizes spending on liabilities or fleeting pleasures, which offer only temporary satisfaction. By consistently opting to invest rather than spend impulsively, lasting financial security and prosperity become attainable. The gap isn't in your wallet, it's in your mind. And here's the truth. You can choose to close it. One thought at a time, one habit at a time, one decision at a time. Don't just survive, design your life. If this message hit you, share it. If you're ready to grow, follow for more. You are undefeated.